What's up, everybody? My girl's father gave me this cable for the pull it start. It came off, and all it was is the metal plate on it. The front bolt here, it broke off the metal plate, so I just put a washer on it. Now it's good. Clean the spark plug, take the air filter. The idling was off a little bit, I turned it down a little bit. It has a bag on it. I'm going to pick up some leaves with it, try it out, and see what happens. It's going to be hard to hold the camera and pull start this, but we're going to try. I just want to show you this quick video of the picking up the leaves. Did a good job. I got it so I don't have to rake. Just gotta rake it away from the rocks, obviously. Did a really good job. Now I got a lawnmower that picks up leaves. More power. That's all that matters. But I got a whole yard to do. See that? Yeah. Every year I rake it up by hand. Not no more. So, just wanted to show you this quick video. See how it worked. Picking up leaves, sucked them up, no problem. Let me show you. Take this off. Dump them over here. I like it too, because it's all little pieces. Look at that. All little pieces now. Not like all over here. I gotta rake all this away, obviously. Yeah, that's why I showed you a quick video. Works good. Easy fix. Have a good one.